Hello everybody, Miyabi from LBB, here to talk about another one of our new products, the Division Quarter Pouch. Now the Division Quarter Pouch is a compact organizational pouch that's slightly bigger than our Tiny Houdini or our basic phone pouch. So this can carry a little bit more than those pouches. The one I have here is the VX21 X-Pack, and it features a water repellent zipper all the way around. Now let's look inside. So as you can see, the quarter pouch features a very simple yet highly functional design. On the right-hand side, we have an elastic sleeve. It's perfect for storing your phone, and this fits up to a 6.7-inch phone, would fit pretty nicely here. On the top, we have a series of card holders, but it could also fit things like cash or a little phone stand. And on the left-hand side is a pretty sizable compartment here. This is perfect for loose items, but also you get quick access from the front of the pouch, allowing you to access some of those items easily. Okay, now let's talk about ways to carry this pouch. Given its compact nature, it's really easy to handle and carry just in your hands. But if you're the type of person who prefers to use a strap, we offer this add-on carrying strap, which you can attach to the pouch via these loops. You can either attach it horizontally by placing the buckles here, or you can place it vertically by attaching the buckles here. I think in this case, I'm going to go with the vertical configuration. We have the cam buckle. Cinch it down. And there you got it. Quarter pouch is also the ideal camera companion. One more way to carry the quarter pouch, since it's part of our Transition Tote family, you can attach it to the front part of the bag, and you can attach it on one of several attachment points or attachment positions across the front side of the bag. Let me demonstrate. So to attach it, you first of all open the clips that you find on the back of the pouch, and you want to align them to the loops in the position that you'd like to mount the pouch. Slide them in and buckle them down. So that's the look with the quarter pouch mounted. As you can see, it takes up a quarter of the space, hence the name quarter pouch. By that same token, you can fit up to 4 quarter pouches on the front side of the bag. You can also mount it to the shoulder strap of the Transition Tote. Here we've provided dedicated mounting points for the quarter pouch. So depending on your needs, you can customize the Transition Tote with our modular pouch attachments. So you can do 4 quarter pouches, or you can mix it up. Do 1 half pouch and 2 quarter pouches. This pouch comes in 4 colorways, 2 in 210 denier nylon ripstop, 1 in X50 multicam, and 1 in VX21 X-Pack. Just like the Transition Tote. So no matter what color you pick, there are matching pouches that go with it. Right, so this is what it looks like combined with a half pouch. And that's the Division Quarter Pouch by LBB.